Please tell us more about this new ECB crisis tool that we've got.
Yeah, so Madame Lagarde was speaking to Euro area finance ministers yesterday, and she was talking about the tool which is really intended to stabilise markets when you have the ECB raising rates for the first time since 2011, and particularly in weaker nations which could be more exposed to that financial turbulence. So what she said yesterday was that if bond spreads widen beyond a certain threshold, or if market movements speed up beyond a certain level, then this tool is going to kick in. But she didn't say whether those thresholds are going to be made public. But really the point is to prevent the weaknesses in the euro area being exposed when the rate hikes come.
OK, and so that's the European story, of the Eurozone story, rather. Let's get to the Bank of England, because you were outside the Bank of England yesterday in the run-up to and the aftermath of the rate decision there. Take us through the sort of aftermath of that. Why did the central bank go for 25 instead of 50, which some people have been leaning towards?
Yeah, and it looks dovish compared to the Fed's 75 basis points. But, of course, this is exactly what we expected, 25 basis points. The context is that the Bank of England's never gone for more than a quarter-point hike in its independent history. It's already now done 5 hikes in a row, which is unprecedented for the BOE. And let's not forget the BOE was the first out of the gates of its major peers when it comes to tightening. But the reason they went for 25 was that 6 out of the 9-member Monetary Policy Committee are worried about the UK being in a recession in all but name. The economy is contracting, consumer confidence is low, the housing market is slowing. The OECD says we're not going to get any growth next year. But while the decision was dovish, the guidance was more hawkish. They say they are prepared to act forcefully if necessary, and so markets now are pricing in for 3% interest rates by the end of the year, so that would be 50, 50, 50 and then 25.